Have you seen plastic bottles in landfills and wonder how many of them are yours? Or plastic bottles ending up in the ocean and wondering how that's going to affect our environment? We started recycling, sending our plastic bottles to the plant, hoping that would fix our problem. We stuff our recycling bins to the brim, only to be told that it was not working, that our recycling was still ending up in landfills. If we're recycling, but recycling isn't working, how do we fix it? Our team has come up with a product that takes in bottles, removes the label, and cleans the adhesive from the bottle. This ensures that our plastic bottles are able to be recycled. Our products can be placed in your local food court, on campus, or at a mall, at home in the kitchen, in your office's break room, or for travelers at airports and train stations. If you want to learn more about our product, we are Team No Labels. Come to our breakout room.